Describe different types of life cycles which occur pigments found in algae. Uh, Algae exhibit diverse life cycles, and while the life cycle phases themselves themselves are not directly of the pigments, the the different the different life cycles the different life cycles phases are characterized by their specific pigment composition and functions that change in response that change in response that change in response mm, that change in response that change in response environmental environmental and development cues. The main the the main types of algal life cycle are haplonectic and haplodiplonetic alternations of generations, including complex triphasic variations. Algal life cycle uh, types. The classifications of life cycle. The classifications of life cycle uh, in algae is is based on the phyloid, haploid and diploid, and dominance of the vegetative stages. Haplonetic life cycle, the dominant free living photosynthetic plant body is haploid gametophyte N, and the only diploid stage is zygote, which immediately undergoes meiosis to produce haploids and spores. Spores to develops into new gametophytes found in most green algae. Example is Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas and Volvex. Some रेड एल्गी. इसके बाद फिर एपोलिनेटिक लाइफ साइकल्स, द डोमिनेंट फ्री लिविंग फोटोसिंथेटिक plant body is diploid sporophyte to N, and meiosis occurs in produce haploid gametophyte, and which fish to form a zygote develops into grows directly into a sporophyte found in some brown algae, Fucus and Sargassum and diatoms, and haplodiplonetic life cycle. Alternations of generation. Alternations of the alternations of generation. Both haploid gametophyte and diploid sporophyte. Phases are multicellular. Phases are multicellular, and phases are multicellular, often free living. Often phases are multicellular, often free living. They may be morphologically identical. Than isomorphic ectovirus, and in different forms. Heteromorphic कैसे लै in different luminary is कैसे हले कैलिमिनेरिया किल्प्स. हाँ, लेमिनेरिया किल्प्स, ठीक ना. एक बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं से इन हले some red algae, many brown algae, some and most green algae, and often which often have a complex triphasic life cycles, involving triphasic sporophyte stage. इसके बाद का पिगमेंटेशंस फंक्शंस across life cycles, ठीक है. Algal pigment, chlorophyll, carotenoids and phycocablins play a critical roles in photosynthesis and photoprotections across of these different life cycles, ठीक ना. Photosynthesis, chlorophyll A is the primary photosynthetic. Algae pigment present in all algae. Pigment present in all algae with necessary pigments: chlorophyll B, C or D, phycocyranthrins, fucosanthin and phycocyanin, etc. Exocentra vary are algal groups, and allowing for observations of light for wider ecological spectrum of light, is wider spectrum, and in diverse aquatic environments. And photoprotections, photoprotection carotenoids, example carotenes and xanthophiles like lutein, xanthophile, phycocyathine, fococyathine, and xanthines, which are essential for the particularly for the photosynthetic, and apparatus from the damage caused by damage caused and damage caused energy, damage caused and oxidative stress है ना, oxidative stress। एक बाद फिर बताते कैसे oxidative stress which is particularly important, which is during the life stages, and expose the high irritants such as resting spores and such as and dwelling spores, dwelling spores, ठीक ना। इसके बाद फिर कैसे हैं dwelling spores, इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं इसे, इन लाइफ स्टेज specific pigmentations, resting spores under unfavorable conditions, example highlight and nutrient stress, algae like some hematochlosis flavillaceous transition into a resting states in sediments, and which accumulates massive amounts of secondary carotenoids like red xanthines, which mask the chlorophyll of color। इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं लास्ट में लेना कैसे लें motile stage, motile zoospores are often using a structure like flagella or cilia. This stage allows organisms cells move to actively find food, ठीक, and find food, escape predator। इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं रीच अ न्यू इन्वायरमेंट फॉर रिप्रोडक्शन। आंसर कंप्लीट।